Mayuri? 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 You know, it says here that children want to talk about sexuality with their parents.
They do? No, they don't. They never should.
No. Amrit is definitely too young. But maybe Aditi should be learning about this sex thing before getting married. It says here, it is not only our right as parents to talk with our sons/daughters about sex. It is our responsibility.
But she's only 20 years old.
Yes, perhaps you are right, but page two, look. It says here that it is best that a child know more. Do you think she knows anything?
Probably not. We have never spoken to her about it. From where would she possibly learn?
Again, you must be right. Look. Oh, but look here. Oh, it says here this should be an ongoing process because we are the primary sexuality educators of our children.
Okay, fine. But how do we explain?
Oh, very easy. We must find teachable moments and be askable parents. Teachable, askable, teachable, teachable.
Of course.
Great. Aditi!
Now?
More time like the present. Come here, baby. We would like to speak with you.
Don't you think we should at least wait until after dinner?
Not to talk until tomorrow. What can be accomplished? Hello, Betty. Thank you for coming. Sit down. Thank you. Your mother will like to speak to you about something.
Yama? See, Daddy was just, we wanted to know how you feel about, are you hungry, baby? What's going on? What are you reading there, Dad?
Oh, nothing. Just a little pamphlet I picked up on the way to home. So, Betty, do you have any questions?
About what? About anything, Aditi. Why are you guys acting so weird?
We do not need to wait.
Ask a question about what? Oh, you know, anything you might be curious about.
Yes, you know, Betty, we are very hackable parents.
What in the world are you? Oh no, you guys are. Look at this. Okay.
This is a teachable moment. I think this picture sends the wrong message. I want to tell you what I believe and why.
Okay. See, she is, that? You would never let me go out dressed like that.
No way.
Absolutely not.
No
Fine,
way.
so are we done here? I've got to cook. I want to finish before dinner.
Not so fast, Betty. We want to talk to you about sex and sexuality.
Oh, no! I know it makes me worried, but we think it's time for you to learn the facts of that.
But facts are not enough. We want to share with you our thoughts, feelings, values, and beliefs.
You know, we really don't need to be getting into this right now.
Nothing doing, Betty. We care about your well-being and happiness.
Do you know where
It's okay to feel uncomfortable, Betty. Relax! I am glad you came to me with that question. But I think I'm detecting the question behind the question, Betty.
What?
It's okay to feel uncomfortable, Betty. Relax! Different girls develop at different times. All of them are normal.
Please call me when dinner's ready. Okay, baby. Can you check that room and that? Yeah, this time for 27 years.
I'm glad we have this conversation. And remember, we are here to listen.
Oh, would you please have that basket down?
Yes, dear. Well, I think that went well, no?
Dinesh, she just ran up the stairs to her room, and now who knows what she's bringing up this thing.
Not to worry. This is an ongoing process. And tomorrow, we will talk to her about chapter 2. The joy